Welcome to this tutorial on how to search for messages in a WhatsApp community. Whether you're looking for important information or revisiting past conversations, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once the app is launched, locate the Communities tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This tab is your gateway to all the communities you're part of. Next, select the community where you want to search for a message. Within the community, you'll see various groups listed under Groups you are in. Choose the specific group that contains the message you're looking for. Now that you're inside the group chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three dots icon to open a menu of options. From this menu, select Search. A search bar will appear at the top of your screen. Enter the keyword or phrase related to the message you want to find. After typing in your keyword, tap on the search icon to initiate the search. WhatsApp will filter through all messages in that group and display results matching your keyword. You can use the up and down arrows to navigate through these results until you locate the exact message you need, and that's it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently search for specific messages within a WhatsApp community group. This feature saves time and ensures quick access to important information. Thank you for tuning in. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Happy searching!